Dazzlinglatte, and welcome to my Dollar Tree haul. Okay, I got some cute makeup stuff. First things first, they had these blender sponges, and I got one in purple because you know I love me some purple. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Next, I got LA Colors Lipstick Duo Gloss Slash Lipstick in Charmed. I don't know if you can see that. It's really cute. And I already have one in Flushed. So I'm really excited. I really loved this one, so I'm excited to try out this one, see how it is. One thing I noticed about LA Colors is their stuff is really pigmented. Next, we've got LA Colors 3-color eyeshadow in Lotus. And look at how cute that is. Like, there's gold, blue, and green. And I can't wait. I love gold eyeshadow. I feel like it makes me look like a statue, and I love that. Next, we got something kind of boring a little bit. I don't know. I just needed some more pressed powder. You know, and I get it in rose beige to kind of give myself a little bit of a tan, just a little bit, not too much of a tan, because I start to look orange if I like put too much, you know, like too dark of a color. I start to look like an orange, and I don't want to look like an orange, but you know, I just kind of want to look naturally tan. Next, I got 2 LA Colors Color Craze nail polishes. One in Crown Jewel, and it's this really pretty, like, shiny, dark green color. I can't wait. It looks glittery. It looks glittery. And then I got one in Kiss Me, and it's hot pink. It's just, you say the words hot pink, and you think of this. You see this. I love it. It's just so cute. It's me. It's me. And then, yeah, that's everything. I did pick up some, like, 6-pack of batteries because I was out, but I don't think you really need to know that. But, yeah, that is my haul, and I hope you enjoyed it. And for now, I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.